My son, do not forget my teaching, but let your heart keep my mitzvot. For length of days and years of life and shalom they will add to you. Let kindness and truth never leave you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will gain favor and a good name in the eyes of Yah and man. Trust in Yahweh with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your paths straight. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear Yahweh and turn away from evil. It will be healing to your body and refreshment to your bones. Honor Yahweh with your wealth and with the first of your entire harvest. Then your barns will be filled with plenty, and your vats will overflow with new wine. My son, never despise Yahweh's discipline or dread his correction, for Yahweh loves those he reproves, even as a father, the son in whom he delights. Happy is the man who finds wisdom, and the man who gains understanding. For her trade value is better than silver, and her yield better than fine gold. She is more precious than jewels, and nothing you desire compares to her. Length of days is in her right hand. In her left hand are riches and honor. Her ways are pleasant ways, and all of her paths are shalom. She is a tree of life to those who embrace her, and blessed will be all who hold firmly to her. By wisdom Yahweh founded the earth. By understanding he established the heavens. By his knowledge the deeps were divided, and the clouds drip dew. My son, hold on to sound wisdom and discernment. Do not let them out of your sight. They will be life to your soul, and an ornament to grace your neck. Then you will walk on your way in safety, and your foot will not stumble. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. When you lie down, your sleep will be sweet. Have no fear of sudden terror or the devastation of the wicked when it comes. For Yahweh will be your confidence and will keep your foot from a snare. Do not withhold good from those to whom it is due when it is in your power to act. Do not say to your neighbor, "Come back later, I'll give it tomorrow," when you have it with you. Do not plot evil against your neighbor while he lives trustfully beside you. Do not quarrel with a man for no reason if he has done you no harm. Do not envy a violent man or choose any of his ways. For the devious are detestable to Yahweh, but he takes the upright into his confidence. Yahweh's curse is on a wicked house, but he blesses a righteous home. Though he scoffs at the scoffers, he gives grace to the humble. The wise inherit honor, but fools are held up in disgrace.